I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch a mobile number from Lebara to Otwo, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Check eligibility. Make sure your Lebara number is eligible for porting. You should not have any outstanding bills or contracts. Step 2. Get your PAC code. Contact Lebara to request your porting authorization code PAC. This code is usually valid for 30 days. Step 3. Sign up with Otwo. Once you have your PAC code, sign up for an Otwo plan. You can do this online or at an Otwo store. Step 4. Provide your PAC code. During the sign-up process with Otwo, enter your PAC code when prompted. This will initiate the porting process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PAC code, wait for Otwo to confirm the porting. This usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. Remember, if you try to port your number on a weekend, it might take longer due to processing times. Good luck with your new Otwo service.